Welcome to Excel Helps. In today's video, we're going to quickly go over how to get your arrow keys to work again in Excel. Normally when you use Excel, if you use your arrow keys, if you hit the down arrow, you'll be going down the rows. If you hit the right key, you'll be going across the columns. And it's a really easy, quick way to navigate and help save time. It feels more comfortable, especially if you're typing a lot of things and going from one cell to the other. And to fix this, we're going to need to look on our keyboard. And actually, most of the time, and this happened to me when I was on a laptop without this key, you're going to either want to go on your keyboard and look for the screen lock button, which will be around your number pad. It'll say SCR screen lock. And if you do not have that option on your keyboard, what you're going to need to do is go down to your search bar and type keyboard. An on-screen keyboard will be an app that pops up. And so this button right here is what keeps us from, when we try to use our arrow keys, it just makes us scroll down and doesn't actually move anything. So after we click screen lock and try again, there we go. Now we're able to use our arrow keys again. That's just a quick tutorial. Please like, subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and thanks for watching.